sailboat in the whole entire world. That boat was delivered a couple months ago. Sticker price was $500 million. And it was delivered to one of the richest men in the world. Boys and girls, the owner of that vessel is Uncle Jeff Bezos. And then you see this gray vessel right here with the pointy noses facing towards us. That is his $75 million floating garage. That follows his $500 million sailing vessel around.
Wow.
They're going to be here. Take you guys to St. John. We should be there in a couple days, so just buckle up. So as we get out of here, guys, I'll start giving you guys a little island tour, point out some cool stuff, maybe some celebrity homes.
Isn't that beautiful?
You good? Yeah. Yeah.
Julie?
Picnic tables are solar powered.
This where you want to be. Why you swimming, snorkeling? The turtles are swimming right across. All those dark areas and so forth, and the turtles in there, I mean, they'll swim right across. Right now, so I could tell the beaches are going to be rough today just by watching this beach. Because this beach just stays nice and calm. So when you see the water comes a little further up on the beach, that means the rest beaches going in is probably going to be a little rough. That's why they cancel, I think they canceled one of the tours off the snorkel tour. So they couldn't do the snorkel because we call this ground, which means the water is being stored up from the bottom. The snorkeling is, you go to the beach, but snorkeling is not going to be happening. But you can want to go lay on the beach, you go on the beach. But you can't be safe, but like I said, it became a lot more. Quick guys, right here guys, this is that Trunk Bay Beach guys. This is a beach where most of the folks are going to do the snorkeling and so forth. Like I said, it's not a snorkeling day today on the beach. Just a nice little relaxing, you want to relax and just hit the bar. Okay? But Trunk Bay is actually classed right now as the #1 beach in the world. Right here in St. John, you have the freshwater showers, change room, restroom, snorkel shop, that type of stuff there. But like I said, anytime you see the months of November.
Called Omaha, the one in the middle, Hawksness, and the one to the far right is called Little Hawksness to the far right. And this is the view you saw from the viewpoint over the river bar, looking right down, this is the beach area we'll see.
Anybody coming out?
Yeah.
Girls don't want behind.